In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch off Xiaomi Redmi 13C. So in case you've been trying to power off your Redmi 13C, here's how you can do it easily. So you have to be anywhere inside your phone, really. It doesn't matter, you can be on your home screen or in any app. And if you want to switch it off, simply hold down your power on key for a few seconds, okay? So just below the volume up and volume down key, there's the turn on button. You know where it is. I assume you want to hold it down for a few seconds. And even though your Google Assistant may appear, just keep holding it past that. So right now I'm going to do it. There's the Google Assistant. And now after a few seconds, the phone will vibrate. And as you can see, it now gives me an option to either reboot or power off. So if you want to switch up your device, simply swipe that middle button up and that will power off your device. If you want to reboot it, simply swipe it down and it will reboot. So that's pretty much it. That's how to switch off Redmi 13C. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.